Welcome, everybody, to Clearing the View, an investor series from AtlasClear Holdings, trades on the New York Stock Exchange American, ATCH. I'm Anna Berry, and today I'm joined by Executive Chairman John Shibley and President Craig Ridenhour. Welcome back, gentlemen. Happy to have this conversation again with you.
Hi, Anna. Good to
Great
see
to
you.
see you, and thank you for having us back.
All right, John, let's start with you. Tell me about Dawson James and talk about the firm.
Sure. Dawson James is a full-service investment firm. They have retail, they have investment banking, they have capital markets, they have institutional sales and trading, they have wealth management. So they're really a complete example of a correspondent clearing firm or a customer of our correspondent clearing firm as an introducing broker. They were founded in 2002, I believe. And importantly, the CEO of the firm, Bob Keyser, is on our board of directors, and he is also an investor like all of our board members. So we're very excited about the firm.
Perfect. And Craig, so what does Dawson James onboarding business mean for Atlas Clear?
It means a lot, and first and foremost, it is our first true correspondent clearing firm since we actually acquired Wilson Davis. It took us some time to get to this point, but from just a pure revenue standpoint, as we've made pretty clear, I think, in recent interviews and some of our publications, is that we have a fixed cost structure, and we scale very well above that. There's always some variable costs as you bring a new correspondent clearing firm on, but with Dawson James, as we incrementally bring their business on, it makes a substantial impact on our business revenue and net income wise. I mean, in a perfect world, which doesn't happen overnight, and hopefully we earn the business. I mean, if they were to come on fully into us, I mean, it could potentially double our revenues and double our net income potentially. But that's long term. But it has a huge impact on us right now. It shows us we're ready to take on more correspondent clearing firms that scale very well, and we think it's going to have a positive impact on the company and the equity.
And John, it seems like some time has passed between Atlas Clear announcing the Dawson James agreement and the firm beginning operations on the platform. So is this onboarding time typical in the business?
No, it won't be going forward. In this situation, yes, it was painfully slow as we had to restructure the way our whole technology stack worked so that we really could onboard correspondent clearing firms. That, like almost most technology developments, took longer than we expected. We are through that process now, and what that means for us is that we really can begin scaling. And so we are in a really good position now that we've gotten through that technology redesign.
And Craig, as Dawson James begins operating on the platform, talk about what kind of impact this relationship will have on Atlas Clear's revenue and overall growth.
Well, again, we think it's going to have a big impact. One, it's a great relationship and partnership. Obviously, Bob Keyser's on our board. Very important to us. He's an investor. He's side by side with us. But from the actual execution and revenue standpoint, it adds additional trading volumes into us. It also expands our ability on the investment banking side. That's a line of business that we're beginning to expand quite a bit. They are very well versed in that area. That'll allow us to partner with them on potential deals. And then also what it does ultimately is it gives us the path to bring on other correspondent clearing firm clients. And so it really is the gateway for us going forward now that we have everything integrated, now that we have the technology stack in the right area, in the right place. Going forward, as John mentioned, things should speed up as far as bringing clients on, introducing broker dealers, and it's really a great start for us.
And talk a little bit more about that, John. How is the customer channel, and can shareholders expect more broker clients?
The customer channel is very robust. In previous announcements, we notified the street that we've got another signed introducing brokerage firm that still has to remain confidential. Now that Dawson James is live, we can move them into production as well. And then beyond that, we have a very strong channel. The market that we're servicing is badly underserviced. So I do think the shareholders can look for future announcements of more introducing brokerage firms as our customer.
Perfect. Well, John and Craig, thank you for this update, and we look forward to following along with your company's continued progress.
Thanks, Anna.
Thank you.
All right. Thanks everyone for watching.